scrambled egg coconut tortilla wrap with the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most different of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most unique of the taco recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes and one of the most different of the evening snacks recipes. Today we are going to make scrambled egg coconut tortilla wrap, 25 grams of garlic, 15 shallots, 2 green chilies cut into pieces. Now put in some half of the green chili and the grated coconut into the grinder. And grind well. Now put in the fennel seeds. Pour in around 10 ml of water. Close and grind well. Heat the pan. Pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the shallots. Until the shells lose their pinkish color. Now put in the garlic, salt, salt and mix. Now put in the chili pieces. So, salt the chili pieces with the shallots and the garlic. Now put in the tomato pieces, sauce, thoroughly. Now, pour in the coconut mixture. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Now put in salt to taste. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Now break in an egg into the mixture and spread it. And let it cook for around 60 to 90 seconds. and egg. Saute the egg and then scramble thoroughly and mix with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly saute mix. Go, put in salt to taste, mix, pour in 3/4 cup of water, mix and knead so as to make a nice dough. Put it in little by little. And knead the flour to make a thick and consistent dough. Thoroughly knead the flour. Now let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After making it into a ball, take the dough ball and make it into smaller balls. Roll it in between the palms so as to make it into smaller balls. And keep it aside. Now dust the surface on which we flatten the dough. Take the small dough ball and flatten it into a round shape using the rolling pin. Turn it around and make it into a circular flat tortilla shape using the rolling pin. Dust the surface, flatten it out. Do this with the other balls, and these can be then fried. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the tortillas. turn it over. Turn it over from side to side. Turn it over again. Apply some oil on the tortillas. On the sides. Turn it over. And on the other side also. Turn it over. Now, after the tortillas are nicely brown, put in the egg coconut mixture in the center and fold the tortilla so as to make the wrap. Turn it over and take off the flame. Do this until all the other tortillas are made in the same way. This is the final scrambled egg coconut tortilla wrap, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the wrap recipes and one of the most delicious of the tortilla recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the taco recipes and one of the most delicious of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the snacks recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.